It is very important to use scissors here. Use scissors. Don't do what I did and use a razor blade. Okay, there's instructions on the website. Okay. Okay, here's the latest update. I cut the back off. Forget what I said about trimming it and being nice about it and making multiple cuts. You just got to get in there with the knife and cut at it. There's no holding back. If you can score it and bend it, Lexan will pop, it'll snap. And I got that off. Got the new one on. I made a wing because some mistakes were made. But we won't talk about those. And we're ready to cut the roll cage. So, you might have seen this in the first video. I'm trying to make the background nice so you can see what's going on. One workbench here. So, that roll cage, to keep you safe, is bigger than this. It's not going to fit down. That's a body lift kit right there, boys and girls. Remember body lifts? So I'm going to cut this roll cage right here. Yeah. Right here. Oh, that's going to be a pain in the butt. I'm going to cut this thing off and put this body on. We're almost there. And I don't think I'll ever run a luggage rack again. There's no need to modify this. If I want a luggage rack on the top of there, I'll just 3D print another one. This is 3D printed. This is 3D printed. Maybe something like this will look neat. That's about all I'm going to do. Some gas cans or something. I'm not going to do much more than that. But, see this back window? You can cut this back window out right here, make it short, and it'll fit in that groove. You see it? So I'm going to try that. I'm going to attempt it. First time cutting didn't go well, but nothing a little epoxy won't fix. But hang in there, we're going to get this done. It's going to be fun. Remember, you guys have fun. It should be for funs. You take anything too seriously, and you're going to hurt yourself, okay? Just settle down. All right.